Good morning. It's 9 o'clock in the morning. Wind has picked up since last night. It's snowing. I don't know how much snow we've gotten because of the wind. It's what I normally gauge it on. It's cleared off almost. Very, very little snow on the stuff I normally gauge how much snow we got. So, there's my truck. It was clear this morning. You can see on the back it's pumped up. So, dogs are ready to go inside. They say it's too cold out here for them. So, we'll check in later. I expect these winds to amp up. Hope everyone's staying safe and have a great day.